Just teach me something here. What are we doing with this guy?
The shaft is not there.
Guys, do not do that. That's illegal as.
Good morning, everybody. Well, today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's. It is Saturday, and Johnny's coaching football, so I got Christian out here doing our videoing, and we have a Jeep, I believe it's a Jeep Wrangler, stuck. They just went down off of the ramp and realized that their four-wheel drive wasn't working, so we're gonna go and check their four-wheel drive and then get them back up onto the ramp if need be. Come along for the ride. Hello, my friend.
Hey, how are you?
So let me turn around and get behind you. I'm gonna check your four-wheel drive if that's okay.
No, the shaft is not there. The vehicle's new to me,
Oh.
so it won't go into four-wheel drive at
Because
all.
there's no front shaft.
There's no front shaft.
I got you. Okay, let me turn around and get
This is a hard
behind
way
you.
to find that out.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Let me turn around and get behind you. We'll get you out of here, okay?
Okay, so you're just gonna pull back?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull you back up onto the ramp.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, we have decent hitch points. I can do that lightly. Yeah, these are fairly capable, but if you don't have a front drive shaft, that's...
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure don't. All right, but you're clear under here. It's just the back end. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook onto those shackles, these hard shackles, and just bump you up onto the top up there. All right, we are gonna use a 20-foot Yankum kinetic rope. We're gonna use a Yankum Santo customized tow bridle. And we're gonna let kinetic energy bring this thing up out of the hole. So when I get you all hooked up, I'll have you in there. I'll probably have you in reverse.
Okay.
And Christian will be standing beside you. And so he'll tell you when to give it gas, and you'll just give it a little bit of gas, just kind of helping it pop up out of the hole.
Okay.
And then you'll end up backing up until till we get you out there in front of my truck where it's hard enough that two-wheel drive, you'll be able to back the rest of the way out, okay? We have Yankum ropes that came along and sponsored us. We have a little bit of a online presence.
Good.
So we record, and if you'll let us, we'll put you up on YouTube with us.
Absolutely.
And we just have fun. We don't hate, we educate, and just try to enjoy ourselves. People are so much fun. That's the important part.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and hop in. I'm gonna give you final instructions. I'm just trying to figure out where to tuck this so it doesn't get hurt. I thought about putting, but this is gonna go like this, so. I mean, here, oh, look, see if you can stick it up underneath there.
You get it?
Yeah, that'll work. I mean, it might pop, but it's not, at least not gonna drag down into the sand. And then when we get done, you will stick it back in there.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and hop in. All right, we're gonna let the kinetic rope do most of the work, so I'm not gonna go real hard or real fast, but you'll feel it.
Okay.
When you feel it, I want you a little bit into the gas, not hot rod gas, just helping me out.
Okay.
And then make sure you steer, because the wheel's gonna wanna spin out on you, so just hold it tight. You're in a good spot right now.
Okay.
Just hold it tight, and you're gonna turn a little bit, like turn your butt up that ramp right there,
Okay.
okay? All right, here we go.
That was easy.
Yes, sir. The right equipment, the right experience, the right truck,
Right place.
the right place, the right time,
Yeah.
the right phone number to call. Need a hand? What is our slogan? Stuck in the sand, we can lend a hand. I had a brain fart there. All right, give me a second. Let me get this out of the way. Listen,
Appreciate you.
absolutely, I appreciate you.
Yeah.
I hope that you have a blessed day for the rest of the day.
You too.
If you still want to go down on the beach, go all the way down to International Speedway. It's two-wheel drive down there.
Yeah.
So you won't have any problems.
Yeah. All right.
All right?
Thank you very much.
That's a beautiful spot. Have a blessed day. All right, beautiful. Or like Johnny would say, like butter. Meanwhile.
Alrighty guys, so we got a recon call for a big SUV out here that was pretty stuck. And they said they wanted our service, but it seems that a Jeep's helping out. So we're just gonna make sure that everything's good. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
What's going, man?
Good.
So, listen, tell me, you just teach me something here. What are we doing with this guy?
Yeah, hold on, let me pull up a tiny bit, see how you got it hooked up.
Me.
So to start with, I mean, I can lend you a receiver if you want to give it a quick shot. One thing I will say, one, you probably don't, what's up?
I would love to borrow a receiver.
It's your Jeep, right?
It's mine,
Yeah. So one thing you're going to want to normally do is not go to the safety chain spot unless you're going to both somehow, because it just doesn't normally hold as much weight. Okay. So if you can get a hitch receiver, those are good. So I'll throw one in for you. The other thing, if you end up wanting to and you're pulling people out, steel cable can be scary. So, okay. Well, if you're barely ever using it, it won't matter. Oh, yeah, yeah. Do you have a winch blanket?
No.
Okay. I'll let you use... Exactly. I'll let you use a receiver and a winch blanket.
Like, that's my girl's Jeep. I'm like, dude, listen, I lived in Buffalo.
If you don't mind if we record it, I'll help you out.
Please do it.
I'm doing it too.
There you go. Yo, you got the metas?
I used to drive a four-wheel drive.
There you go.
That's what I was gonna say. I remember some guys that said they were gonna do the Daytona Beach thing out there.
There's a lot of people that have, mentioned doing it, but not a lot that have actually done it. But I use the meta glasses a lot too for our short form, but it doesn't really work for like YouTube long form, because they don't capture horizontal, which stinks.
Yeah, it's my first time in this vehicle getting stuck. I was like, this is the unstoppable vehicle.
What?
Never been stuck anywhere, and I came to help someone else out, and they got help already. And then I came to play a little too. I didn't really want to get stuck.
I was gonna say. All right. Yeah, on stock tires without any PSI drop, it can be hard out here. Oh gosh. Oh, I hate steel cable. We're gonna make sure they do it safely.
Dude, man, this is cool as.
All right.
Hey, we're gonna record it too.
Go for it. Go for it.
I'll call you back.
All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you have it in reverse, and you're gonna be ready to give it a little bit of gas here in a minute. I'm gonna get him to have a little bit of tension on it, and then we're gonna try and back you up some and get you up on top of the sand, okay? Just nice and easy with the throttle. I'll let you know when. You ready to rock?
On reels right now? Them boys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You ready to rock?
Yeah, let's.
All right, let's do it.
Come on, son.
Here, I'll record you. I got you. All right, so go ahead. Is your line long enough to hop in the driver's seat? If you undo this?
Yeah. Should we back it up?
Yeah, you'll want to.
Yeah.
But it's easy to get tension on the line if you just back the Jeep up too. And that's what I was saying. You probably want to remove the line. Just unbutton the line and you can get in the truck. Yeah, just, and then you can wind it back up when you're done. Just run this over your mirror. There you go.
Santos in the house?
Yes, sir. All right. I'm gonna come over here. All right, so now back up just a little bit, nice and easy. Are you in 4 low?
Yes.
Okay. Your winch isn't locked in. Hold on.
All right. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Okay, yeah. All right, now just use the winch remote and just give it a little bit of pull. All right, go ahead, back it up a little bit. Hold on, wait. Is he in two-wheel drive? The front's not spinning. Hold on. All right, go ahead. Give it a little gas. Hold on. All right, hold on again. He's not, it doesn't seem. Well, you should be able to move him, but it's almost like his four-wheel drive ain't in. Hold on, hold on. All right, we'll give it one more shot. He's on the bottom. It's just an open diff, that's why. So you'll wanna, are you ready, Christian? Go ahead, give it some winch pull and give it a little bit of gas in reverse. I'm not. Go ahead. Pull on the winch. That thing ain't moving, man. Yeah, I don't know. Wiggle that wheel a little bit. All right, give it a little pull. Give it a little pull with the winch. Yeah, it ain't moving. All right, let your tension off. Back out the winch a little bit. Well, I can hear the tension on the cable. I don't love it, to be honest. But it's not even budging it. I guess I work magic. I don't know. I get it done somehow.
You know what the great thing is? I see you do is you fucking put that toe strap on and just yank them.
Yeah, sometimes I use the yankum rope. Yeah. Sometimes I've had to be careful because not too long ago I got myself stuck with the yankum rope.
Dude,
I had to winch myself out.
What's
I
your
have the
name,
winch
man?
in the back, Johnny.
I'm Johnny Britt, dude.
Hell
I call
yeah.
you guys. I'm the one that rides my Lee bike.
Hell yeah.
I find people like, you got to call.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. There you go.
Now I'm gonna sit here and watch out, and then
I know, we're gonna watch y'all.
There you go.
We're gonna watch
All right. Our turn. It ain't budging. And I don't trust the steel cable. I mean, it's just sitting there yanking. I don't know how I want to do it. Did it a little bit?
Yeah, he just wasn't pulling the switch on me.
It was making a very, like, you know how chain sounds when it's like, you know what I mean? It starts like pop, pop, pop. I'm like, I don't like that. I don't like steel cables. So I think what I could do is put a kinetic rope on it, get the bridle with the kinetic rope on it and pull you straight here and then get you down on the low side and then you can turn around and get out of here. Yeah, in my opinion, any off-road recovery with high tension, a steel cable is just asking for trouble. So once I get this hooked up, it's gonna be the same gist. I'm gonna want you to have it in drive. Are you in 4 low? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna want you to just give me a little bit of gas. I don't want you to hot rod it, but I wanna have a little bit so if I move you, we get up on top. And if I move you, we'll just take you down where it's hard by the water. Did you get that? Yeah. Guys, do not do that. That's illegal as F. Yeah. All right. Yeah, honestly, at least no one's out here. That's insane. All right, you have any questions?
No, I'm good.
All right, sounds good. I'm gonna take it easy at first. I'll do 2 or 3 bumps. If I can't do it, I'll winch it.
Seconds later. "12 seconds later.
Oh yeah, baby. That's what we're talking about. I wasn't sure there for a second, but we got her going. All right. There we go. Show them how it's done.
Oh yeah.
I low-key thought I was gonna have to winch it for a second, but we got it.
I'm a professional. This is what I do.
We got it done.
I'm like, yeah, Johnny?
Yep, Johnny.
Yeah, bro.
Yep, and my dad, John.
Yeah.
You guys are the ones that initially called, right?
Yeah.
Nice to
We're
meet you.
sitting
Nice to
there, and
meet
then
you.
This guy pulls up, and I told her, I said, "You better call him. I think they're about to pull him out."
Yeah.
You know, you're on social media, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep,
Look up
we
Full
are.
Throttle Ministries.
All right.
And check out my
I like that
page.
name. That's awesome.
Yeah, and you can see a little
Heck
bit
yeah.
about what we do.
Heck yeah, good
So,
stuff.
yeah,
All right.
check it
Well,
out.
you guys enjoy your time out here,
Thanks
okay?
for coming.
Yes, of course. Thanks for calling us. Alrighty. Well, we got him going. Hopefully, he'll be able to get out of here, and we're good.
Subscribe to Stand Hope.
Here you go, baby.
Like to subscribe to Santa. They're the best.